उसी टाइम पे क्या हुआ, IIT का रिजल्ट आया, नहीं हुआ. बट माई पेरेंट्स वर लाइक नहीं, IIT ही जाएगा.
ये कहानी शुरू होती है जब 3rd स्टैंडर्ड के विश्वास को उसके पापा कहते हैं, बेटा एग्जाम में टॉप कर ले, तुझे देहरादून प्लेन से लेके जाऊंगा. रिसेशन के 8 साल जॉब ना मिलने से लेकर आज जब लोग उसे सिंगिंग पायलट के नाम से जानते हैं. वी आस्क्ड विश्वास आवर गोल्डन क्वेश्चन, व्हाई पायलट? लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम द कैप्टन हिमसेल्फ. I am Mayuri, and in this series we are going to meet different people from different professions who found something that they truly love. This is a journey of finding their why and help you start finding yours. How did it all started for you?
What happened in 1st standard, traveling from the railway station to my grandparents' house, airport would come. I will ask my father, when is the airport coming? And that was something very mystic, you know, like, wow, this is so huge and it flies, and I've never flown before that. So my dad made a deal, if you do well in your 1st standard exams, you know, I'll get you back to Dehradun by air. They all came to drop me off at the airport. So इधर जैसे इन्होंने signature लेके हाथ पकड़ा, I never even looked back at them. I was so mesmerized to go inside the airport and sit inside the aircraft that I didn't even look back. My dad called my grandparents up. They said, your son, no, he just forgot us as soon as he
पैर नहीं छुए, मुड़ के नहीं देखा, बस चला गया.
The air hostess came and she took, and he didn't even look back at us to say bye. So that is how it started. Then 11th and 12th was always this balance between should I become an engineer, should I become a doctor. And pilot was nowhere. After 3rd stand, what I wrote in my scrapbook till later. But you know, when you actually have something in plan, by whatever you can say, force या हो या जो भी हो, things come back to you through different ways. तो मेरे साथ क्या हुआ कि when I was studying in 10th standard, one of my friend was interested in flying. ठीक है, तो वो मुझे एयरपोर्ट लेके जाता था, या फिर मैं जब उसके घर जाता था वो टेरेस पे लेके जाता था. फिर हम ऊपर बैठ के वी वुड वॉच एयरक्राफ्ट्स. उसी टाइम पे क्या हुआ, IIT का रिजल्ट आया, नहीं हुआ. ठीक है.
आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं?
I think that's a mandatory thing. Almost all of us in IIT दे के तो रखते हैं, देखते हैं.
Although I never had interest, I never even felt bad that I didn't make it, because I know मैं अपने लाइफ में कुछ तो करूँगा, but it's not IIT or AIEEE. But my parents were like, नहीं, IIT ही जाएगा. I almost took a year break to research more and more to understand.
I really like this because I think इंडिया में इट्स नॉट अ ट्रेंड एंड इट्स लुक डाउन अपॉन कि 1 साल घर पे, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट इवन आवर पेरेंट्स और रिलेटिव्स माइट से कि पर कर क्या रहे हो घर पे, एंड दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं. व्हाई आर यू इन इट, लाइक व्हाई पायलट?
That curiosity which you had since childhood. How is this aircraft flying? You know, what is this? You know, it's made of metal. Birds are flying. We can't fly, nobody else can fly, then how come this machine is flying? So that curiosity was there. 3rd standard, this project was given, and what would you like to become when you grow up? So then we had to make a scrapbook. You know, you remember scrapbook?
Yeah.
You know. So the last question was what I would like to become this when I grow up. At that age, you hardly know what you want from life.
Exactly.
So
I think it's still true.
Yeah, exactly.
For a lot of us.
For even me. So my dad actually culminated from all what I have as interests, and he gave me all these options. Okay, you have this interest, you have this interest, you have this interest. What do you think is best out of this? So then I chose, and I wrote that, okay, when I grow up, I want to become a Air Force officer. And I want to become a pilot.
What do you think are actual challenges of being a pilot?
I came back to India, I got my license with DGC Apna India. And then the wait began because the global recession had already hit in 2008. So a couple of airlines shut, vacancies stopped, and that is the time where you realize you might have made the worst decision of your life. But a lot of mouths start talking when you see failure.
Of course.
Yeah, and when you see that something you wanted to do and it turned out the way you wanted to. And now you start hearing rumors, and now you start hearing people talking about you that, oh, you know, why did he have to do this? Why did he have to spend so much money? तो पेरेंट्स को भी यही सुनने को मिलता था कि बच्चे तो कुछ भी बोलते हैं, आप क्या वो सारी बातें मान लोगे उसकी? You know, you should tell them कि क्या है, क्या सही है, क्या गलत है.
I have never ever seen a pilot not fit. Like, how do you manage to be so physically fit, mentally calm, and just balance your entire work life?
You spoke about two things. One is mental fitness and physical fitness. So, mental fitness, how can you take care of being mentally fit? By having more hobbies. And the second one is physical fitness. If you adapt a regime where you want to be fit, where you start looking into that, okay, this, this goal looks good, I want to do this. So I take different goals. I go trekking, I travel.
Is music one of them?
Yeah, music is one of them.
I did check out your Instagram that you play a lot of instruments. Can you perform one for us?
Yeah, sure. Ood ke dhani रीत की चादर आया तेरे शहर में रांझा तेरा मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए.
Let's do something fun, Vishwas. I have a game for you. It's called Myth or Not. Just randomly pick any of the cue cards, okay, and it has a very cliched statements about pilots जो हम जैसे normal public को लगता है सही है, but सही है कि नहीं वो you will tell.
Okay, it's very difficult to get your first job. Yeah, it is. I mean, 8 years. इतनी खुशी मुझे. It is very difficult.
So what's that one advice you would like to give to all those viewers who are, inclined towards pursuing pilot as their career?
Yeah, so first advice is you truly decide whether you want to become a pilot. Dude, ये मैं बन गया तो मतलब life set है. But it doesn't last for long. And pilots need a perfect vision? No. You can fly with glasses.
So if I have specs,
you can fly.
I still dream of becoming
Yes,
a pilot.
yes. Pilot training costs a lot of money. Yes, it does.
एक middle class या somebody who is not very financially strong can dream of becoming a pilot.
I came from a middle class family. I did it. So it is possible.
Yeah, we have a live example, guys.
You're coming from middle class family and you think that, there are set limitations what you have in your life. And, I have to abide by those limitations. Don't think or don't dream too big in life. It is a lot of money, but you have to plan it right.
Finding wise everything about, just asking yourself, asking your purpose, why are you in it? So based on your journey, what would you advise others who are in that journey of finding why? Confused hai, maza nahi aa raha hai.
Finding your passion is very important. Don't settle for anything less. If you settle for anything less, you have to settle for entire life. Your first step, if it is not in the right direction, and for a lot of us the first step is not in the right direction, try and find opportunities. Don't be disheartened and don't be scared to quit and rediscover something what you want to do.
रेडी है?
अच्छा मैं नहीं दिख रही ना?
नहीं इसमें नहीं उसमें दिख रहा है. इसमें तुम दिख रही हो लेकिन थोड़ा रिएक्शन दो, लेकिन एंजॉय.
हाँ, yes, of course, मतलब
अच्छा नहीं लगा तब भी.